Top rated natural remedies for cough and cold. Elderberry supplements can help relieve the symptoms of upper respiratory tract infections and flu. Warm lemon water with honey can help with cough and soothe a sore throat. Chicken soup can help reduce mucus buildup. Top rated aromatherapy essential oils for cough and cold. Breathing in essential oils like peppermint, eucalyptus, menthol or camphor can help reduce congestion and soothe airways. Top 3 homeopathic remedies for cough and cold. Bryonia for painful dry coughs that get worse from deep breathing. Pulsatilla is indicated when there is a lot of mucus in the chest with a typically loose cough. And Alien Cepa for common cold symptoms with much sneezing, watery eyes and burning nasal discharges. Take homeopathic remedies in 30C potency to start with, up to 3 times daily, directly in your mouth without water, as pills only. A white cell medication, always consult your doctor before making any changes in your treatment plan, etc. Or visit our website, that's www.mindbodyheal.co.uk for further help or advice. Thank you.